Back to my channel, it's your girl Essie, and today we are going to be doing another rendition of my wash and go, but this time around my hair is not wet. When we start, it's stretched out, kind of, sort of, and we're basically going to be trying a new product today. I will be going in with this Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed recipe. Don't shrink. Why did I just make that sentence longer than it needed to be? Don't shrink. Flaxseed elongating curling gel. So, as far as like the don't shrink part, if you're interested in seeing how this situation went down, just stay tuned. What the? Okay, it just literally looks like I just bought another texture of hair. I don't know what's happening right now, but hold on. Wait a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get most of this done off camera, and then we're gonna go ahead and basically reconvene. We're gonna come back. Okay, so this is pretty much what I just ended up with. As far as like definition, yeah, the definition is definitely bomb. When I stretch it out, it does have a nice little stretch. It's soft. So let me go ahead and see if we can get a little bit more length from the blow dryer. I hope. So this is pretty much what I just ended up with. I am actually not too mad at it, honestly. I love the definition. The definition is amazing. The shine on it, like, look at that. My hair is like glistening out here, okay? But as far as the length, the elongation, I cannot say that word for anything. But as far as my hair being stretched out, at this point I'm convinced there's no product in the world that can give me, okay, maybe in my head I had one of those like, I'm still gonna have like that much length, but I'm not mad. Like, I'm really not, because I didn't have the expectation of retaining 100% length. Because anyone that has 4B, we know our hair practically shrinks to like 85%. So trying to basically revert that's like, you gotta be performing some kind of witchcraft out here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab Aunt Jackie's edge control and my little rat tail comb, some bobby pins, and I'm gonna go ahead and situate these edges real quick, and then I'll show you guys the final product. That is the final look. This is what we're working with today. All in all, I am quite impressed with the definition. I'm quite impressed with the shine. I am definitely happy with how it feels. And as far as like the length, I definitely see the slight difference compared to other gels that I usually use as far as like a wash and go is concerned. But I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this product and see what other ways I can use it to, maybe, I don't know, maybe there's a way of stretching my hair that I have not discovered. So we are going to go ahead and figure that out, maybe in the future. Try it, maybe throw it in another video, see how this works out. But for now, this is what we got, and I'll see you guys in my next video.